we are unboxing the this leak down kit from Amazon to test your cylinders on your car for compression or leaks, I should say, and to determine where the leak is coming from. So we can get this thing opened up. We can take a look at it. Okay, that was a struggle. Let's see what's in the kit. So the Pokemon almost sounds like Pokemon. Let's check it out. Let's see what's in here. So we got an instruction manual. We got a couple of extenders here. Looks like this one might go there. We got these couple little knobs here. And that's what we got. So we gotta go clean the engine up real good so we can see what we're working with, and we will test this thing out, see how it works. So one of the things that will probably need to go in your toolbox if you're going to work on cars efficiently. Pretty sure there's some old school cats that don't need these, but I'm a little bit new to the game and having a little bit of an issue, and I don't want to waste a bunch of money trying to figure out what it is. Okay, so there you have it. Unboxing of the cylinder leak down compression tester.